Hi everybody, this is Dinsafer official channel. In this video, I'll introduce system settings, including frequently used functions like add new devices and users, smart linkage, ready to arm, etc. Okay, let's get started. Since all of the accessories in the kit have been prepared, so you won't need to add them again. If extra accessories are needed, you don't need to worry. The pairing operation is very easy and simple. Just scan the QR code printed on the devices, then name it, all is done. We'll try with the smart plug first. Tap Add Accessory, scan QR code on the smart plug and name it. We can repeat this process to add more devices. Keypad, smoke detector, PIR, remote control, etc. After adding process is done, I'll introduce the system in details. As you can see on homepage, you can easily control smart devices, turn on, turn off, set the color and brightness, In the System Setting page, here is Device Management, Accessories Management, Customize the rules, and Advanced Settings. Device Management allows you to share this device with your family, friends, by scanning QR code with 3 levels of authorization: Administrator, User, and Guest. This system supports unlimited users, and you can check the joined users and manage the notification settings. There are 2 types of notifications: push notifications and SMS. It can be enabled and disabled in the system. Accessories Management. All accessories are categorized for you to easily manage. I'll show you more accessory settings as example. Smart Camera, real-time monitoring, two-way talk with motion detection alert. Smart devices can also be controlled on this page. With RF supervision supported, the real-time status of the accessories can be checked at any time, like online or offline, etc. Here is sirens. The volume and light can be customized in the app. Besides the smart button, there is one button on the back of a remote control can be customized. Customize the rules. This is about home arm customization, smart widget, serial control instruction, and motion records of the cameras. Home arm function. It allows you to choose the sensors which need to be active or deactivated while the system is on home arm status. Smart widget. There's anti-interference, timed task, and smart following. For timed task, you can set the scheduled task such like arm, home arm, and disarm, even plugs and bulbs. For smart following, when you change security status, you can select to have smart devices to turn on or off at the same time. The last one is Advanced Settings about security notification settings, ready to arm, and others. The security notification settings include security notification language, Doors alarm setting, and CMS. This system supports SIA protocol via contact ID message format, TCP and UDP supported. Ready to arm feature. It helps you to check the unclosed doors and windows while you arm or home arm the system. tap more for entry delay, exit delay, panel alarming duration, and sound prompt when changing alarm status, time zone settings, and 4G network and network settings of the device, pin reset, and device information. The right column is app setting to set the app language and the passcode lock and other information. That's all. Thank you so much. If you have any comment, please leave below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. That's all. Thank you for watching.